Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. This is not a motor vlog or anything, but it is a video of a particular interesting thing, an intercom. So usually, like me and my friend Bishu, we ride a lot together. Predominantly, it is both of us. And the problem that we faced earlier was that communicating while riding. Now in market there are many intercoms available, which are quite expensive, I would say. This one serves our purpose, that is communicating just between two of us. It's a Edyell model C9. As you can see, it's model C9. It has a good playtime hours of 40 hours, and it is an intercom just for two riders with a claimed range of 600 meters. So I think that is more than enough. Now let's start with the unboxing. How this looks. First, let's take off the clothes. Okay. So we have a seal here. Unfortunately I don't have a knife with me right now. That takes care of it. And let's see. Oh, it looks nice. It is nice. So this is the intercom. Let's see what's in the box. One holder that will hold it to the helmet. This is the charging cable. We have the microphones and the speakers that will go inside the helmet. And then there are a few stickers, and I believe that these two are to be added here and give it a particular color accent to make it look more attractive, etc. So now I have ordered two. My friend is also here behind the camera, and this is the other unit. We have both of our helmets here, both AXR helmets, and we will be going ahead with the installation. So now both the units are unboxed, and as you can see, both of our helmets are here, both AXR, different color accent. And in this we have two units, both are C9, and the price was really great. It comes at a price of 2000 rupees, which is very good. The manuals are here, all the accessories are here. We will now proceed with the installation. Well, now we are into the installation phase. So before installing this, what we need to do, this is the AXR helmet. As you can see, this is the AXR helmet. So first we need to take out all the internal paddings. Okay, so these paddings go here like this. So I have already taken them out, and you have to also remove the chin guard which comes here, which blocks out the air. Next part is this is the bracket. So whenever we want our intercom or anything, it will be on the left hand side, because that is the easiest way to operate it. So this is where the bracket goes, and this is the unit. This is the intercom unit. So now for this intercom unit, what means, once we unboxed it, we were trying to install it in this manner. Ideally it should have gone in, but it was not going in. For this, I don't know why, but it is not easy to fix. So now I have decided that okay, I will cut off a little bit of the tape that they have given, and I believe that this is for your this one. I will show you what it is. These are all the extra things. We will definitely need these. Very important to put your microphone and all this. For the speakers, these two are for the speakers. These are two razors, means height razors, which we can put them inside the helmet. Now here you see that they have given us one double-sided tape, and this is a Velcro unit. Now if you look carefully, you will find that this goes in here. Okay, this is the exact size cut out. So I am going to do exactly that. So first peel off one part, peel it out, and now I will fix it. So be careful while fixing it. If it is bent or anything, then alignment will be incorrect. And this is now fixed. Once this is fixed, what we need to do is You have these two units. Okay, this is a velcro, very strong velcro, not easy to come off. So this I will put it here. I'll have to cut out a little bit to shape it like that, and this will go here. So we have cut off and fixed the double-sided tape, the velcro to this. We have resized the particular velcro, and now it can easily stick onto this. Okay, it's quite strong velcro, so don't worry. And this is now ready. Now here comes the helmet. So the left hand side, right? So axle left hand side. Now the problem is we have this gear particularly to get your sun visor up and down, but still we have to find the particular place. So here, as you can see, if you see, there is a particular pin which is utilized by these foam inserts. This is where it gets locked. So be careful, take off your, pull it apart, create the gap, and then insert it. It's a little bit, I have actually hurt my thumb earlier, so I am now trying to insert it. Yes, my friend is now holding it to help me out, and come on. And it's now fixed. As you can see, it's all set. Okay, so next part, let's take out the speakers. So it has one, you can say, boom microphone or hard microphone, which is this one. As you can see, bends to the shape that you want it. This is one, and the other unit comes along with it. Okay, this is the small one, the speakers. And first I have to untangle the wire. The reason behind it is, when you are installing this intercom, please make sure that the speaker which has the shortest wire, okay, as you can see, the shortest wire, this one is the shortest wire, the other one is big. The shortest wire will go nearest to your unit. Okay, this is where it needs to go. So please be careful about that. Don't fix it on the other side, otherwise you won't be able to function properly. Next is, see, AXA helmets or many other helmets, they will have a cutout for your speaker. So take it, peel it off, put it inside one side, the other one, take it, peel off. Just a minute, I can't use my thumb, so yes, peel it off. Find your other hole, means other cutout, place it carefully, and you are done. This is where the speaker will go. And after that, you just need to fix your speaker in this manner. Remember, this is a velcro unit, so even if you fix it incorrectly, not an issue. This is how the setup will look. So you have it here, you have the other speaker on your right hand side, all set up as you can see. And now I will have to put the wires inside the padding so that these don't come out, and the microphone will come at the front. Next part is easy, so I am not going into the details, but this is how you install it. We will then, once this is done, then we will show after pairing both the intercoms whether they are working and everything. Stay tuned. So we have come here for the testing to check out how much the range is and everything. First, let's turn it on. Will you turn it on? So you have to hold on to that switch and see if the light comes in, and that's turned on. Both of them, it's turned on. Next, for intercom, you have to press the M button. Press the M button. It will start blinking. See, now both the lights are stable. That means they are connected. Let's check out. Bishu, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, that's the intercom. That's Bishu with the helmet. So we are just going round. এখনো শোনা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, clear. ক্লিয়ার তো? আমি একটু বিল্ডিং এর অবস্ট্রাকশনে যাই তাহলে।
না না, গেটের বাইরে দিয়ে ডান দিকে।
Okay, so now I am going outside the gate. So this is the gate, and there's our.
100 meters, sorry.
So it's still the audio is clear, loud and clear.
100 meters.
I hope you guys can hear it. তো আমরা এবার গেটের বাইরে চলে এলাম। ওই যে আর একজন, দ্যাটস দ্য আদার পারসন।
Quite 100 meters.
মোর দ্যান 100 মিটার্স, এখনও যথেষ্ট ভালো সাউন্ড আসছে। আমি আরও আই অ্যাম গোয়িং ফার্দার। অ্যান্ড নাও রিমেম্বার দ্যাট দের ইজ এ হিউজ বিল্ডিং ইন বিটুইন। বিশু শোনা যাচ্ছে? হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছিস? I don't think it is audible. Connected. So now it is, I think this is the distance, or it is a straight line distance.
Straight line distance হলে,
তুই পিছো তো?
straight line distance হলে,
Still audible. Go back.
straight line distance হলে ঠিক আছে। obstruction আসলে
একটু সাইডে যা। ওখানে থাক। Okay, now you can't see him anymore. I will show you. See, there is no one there. Is it audible, Vishu?
yes, audible,
Still now it is audible.
clear.
So till now, I think guys, you can see that there is no one down there. I have zoomed to the max. You can't see anyone, but still it is perfectly audible. এখনো শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ, শোনা যাচ্ছে
পুরো ক্লিয়ার শোনা যাচ্ছে না? আমি আরেকটু দূরে যাচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে, হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
পাচ্ছি। at times it is getting disconnected.
এখন শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
হ্যাঁ, পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ, এখন এখানে অডিও আসছে। তার মানে এই উইথাউট অবস্ট্রাকশন আই থিঙ্ক ইট উইল গো ভেরি ফার, কিন্তু অবস্ট্রাকশন চলে এলে আর হবে না। চলে। সো আওয়ার টেস্টিং ইজ ডান।
Almost 200 meters without
আমার মনে হয় না, উইথাউট অবস্ট্রাকশন উই উইল হ্যাভ টু টেস্ট ইট ফার্দার ইন আওয়ার রাইডস। উইল বি টেস্টিং দ্যাট, কিন্তু এখনকার জন্য এইটাই। সো দিস ইজ ফর দ্য টাইম বিং। স্ট্রেট লাইন উইথাউট অবস্ট্রাকশন, ইট ইজ কোয়াইট গুড, not bad. I think you can take off the helmet. See, perfectly audible. He has taken off his helmet. So we did a testing. The range is quite good. I believe for 2 people it is good enough. So see you again in a different vlog. Thank you everyone, and Bishu, tata kore dao. Bye guys. Hello everyone. In my review of Edyell C9, we showed you that we attach the Velcro and somehow attach the intercom, but that is not the actual process. If you receive the unit, like say when I received the unit, what I had was this clamp was on the other end, means it was clamping up here, and that was the reason why the intercom was not able to be attached. Now at that time we did a workaround and put the Velcro and tried to figure it out, but it is very simple. This clamp can be removed. Okay, just press it one end, it will come out of the hole. Pull it out. See, it is out now. Same for the other, do the same thing. So if you receive this particular bracket where it is mounted like this, okay, please remember to change it to the other side. It should be like this. These 2 rubber ends should press against your helmet. Okay, once you do this, see, you will be able to fix it very easily. Just match the grooves and voila, see, it's fixed. Now since we did all those workarounds, I will have to remove all this thing, clean it up, and then put it back. Now what I will do, again, look at it. See, there you can see this grooves, right? You can see this grooves here. So I will just put the clamp there in the groove, nothing else. It's not difficult, trust me, you can do it yourself, but just keep that in mind. Okay, see, both of them are now inside the grooves. Press it, push it inside, push it inside, it's done, and now go and fix it to your helmet. Okay, thank you for staying with us. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and keep on riding and having fun.